Morning, guys. It's Gail with Gail Southern Living. So, Hydroponic Monday and hashtag microdwarf 2526. So every day I've been coming out here checking this thing several times a day, as a matter of fact, to see if one of these would sprout. And I gotta admit, I was starting to get discouraged. See, this one's light is off, and they cycle on and off. And finally today, I found my first sprout. This is the Pinocchio orange. So this will be part of the... So there's my very first sprout. Right there, you see it? So, but I looked at all these. This machine was actually started before this one. I feel like, because when hubby set this one up, I told him to leave that light way down there. See how much closer it is? And then this one's way up here. I think that's why it sprouted faster, is because the light was closer. So I'm going to see if I can figure out how to lower this light on the first machine so I can hopefully get some things sprouting over there. But Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed sent me the seeds for the Pinocchio orange, and that is going to be part of the Micro Dwarf Tomato collaboration. So I have 4 tomatoes started in this system number 2, and I have 1 under the grow light, so that makes 5. I have 5 tomatoes planted right now. And then in this one I have 3 kinds of lettuce: spinach, kale, parsley, lavender, and cilantro. So I'm going to look into lowering this system so that hopefully I will get a sprout over here. But yeah, it starts to mess with your mind. You're like, did I do something wrong? Because I can't get this, nothing's coming up. But then there's my first sprout right there. Pinocchio orange, yay! All right, guys, thank you for watching my video today. I appreciate all of you guys. I hope you will join the Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration that Carol and I are doing. And we are asking that you put out a 3-minute entry video so we can send you your seeds. And we are doing USA and Canada. All right. And you can email the emails in the description box. I'll list both of our emails there. Have a great day, guys. Be blessed. Do something kind. Bye, everybody.